Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, here we are Thursday night, and I was going to order some takeout, and I thought, I can probably do it easier and better and more delicious at home. So I went ahead and threw together some spring onion caramelized chicken stir fried, and it came out absolutely fantastic. So let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, first thing I'm going to do is grab up a few chicken quarters, and I'm going to chop these up. Something like this. Now, of course, you don't have to use chicken quarters. You can use thighs, whatever you like. Just because if you use thighs, it's going to cost you a fortune, and quarters are a lot cheaper. But, these were on sale, so it's entirely up to you. So we're just going to go ahead and throw these into a bowl. And, you can, chop them as small or as big as you like, too. Okay, to this chicken, we're going to add the marinade, starting with a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. And, of course, you can always adjust this according to how much chicken you have. Another tablespoon of dark soy sauce to make it a little thicker. Now, that was light soy sauce I added before. A tablespoon of the old oyster sauce. And you can pick this up in just about any grocery store, or Asian store for that matter. And a couple of tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Depending on how sweet you want it to sweeten up our lives and balance things out here. And, of course, my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. And you know me, I'm going to add quite a bit of this, maybe a couple of tablespoons. Or a couple of teaspoons, I should say. Now, guys, we'll just grab up our spoon and mix everything together. This is smelling so good. You can use your hands, too. I just don't want to get my hands dirty here. Now, I'm just going to stick this in the fridge and marinate it, I don't know, for about half an hour. Like, you can do it overnight, too, or even do it right away, but I'm getting hungry, and half an hour is going to be good. Okay, next up, guys, we're going to throw some oil into a pan over medium-high heat, and a fair amount here. I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons, something like that. In with a thumb-sized chopped ginger. I just love ginger. I don't know about you. 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Keep them vampires away. And 3 chopped up green onions. Then we'll go ahead and stir and saute this for a few minutes. Till that incredible aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. And this does smell good, guys. Next up, I'm going to grab that chicken. And into the pan we go. Just look at the color of that chicken. That's going to be so good. And we're just going to toss and fry everything here. Like we're making a stir fry. Actually, that's exactly what we're doing, is making a stir fry. Oh, but this is going to be so good. And again, I'm over medium-high heat. Look at this, my friends. Just like we knew what we were doing. And you really want this like brown and caramelized, guys. And this is looking so good. Just as you cook, flip it around a little bit. If you want to cook this up, I don't know, for a good 10 minutes till it's no longer pink, but that sugar is kind of making it caramelize, which is great. And oh my goodness, the smell. I wish I could invent that smell that I keep talking about. I'd have to do that someday, make a fortune. Yummy. Now we're browning up nicely, guys. It's just about cooked. We're going to go back in with the rest of this sauce. There's the marinating in, and let's just cook up for another few minutes. And I think they're pretty much done here, guys. But just, look at this. I've probably said this 100 times, but I just can't get over the color. Just absolutely beautiful. Just like takeout. Wow, I think better than takeout. Okay, guys, after about 15 minutes of simmering and cooking, we're pretty much done. And just look at this. Absolutely incredible. So we're going to go ahead and plate this up over some Java rice, which I still have to do a recipe for. Now we shall garnish this up with some green onions. And there we go, my friends. And there you have it, our stir-fried spring onion chicken. Ever so easy to make and ever so delicious. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and cut into this and see what we have. You got to get some of that skin on there, too. I think we got a bit of everything here, guys. And just look at this. Doesn't that look incredible? Oh, yum, and that chicken looks tender. All right, down the old hatch here. This is really, really good. I just love the sauce. You got that bit of caramelization on there, and that chicken is so well coated. A bit sticky because of the sugar, but oh so good for so few ingredients. You simply have to make this. And if you do, leave us a comment. Love to read them. And subscribe and give us a like, because it does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. And of course, as always, I'm going to have me some more yummy Yardbird. choke